Everything behind me sells on eBay, but these are going to be the top 10 products right now in August that you want to buy and resell on platforms like eBay, OfferUp, Mercari, Amazon, Walmart, Seller Central, and more. I'm going to show you what I would sell, how much I paid for it, where you can get it, and exactly how much you should sell it for. And if you guys want more information on a consistent basis from a real life hustler, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. If you are looking for the products in this video, all the products are on Hustler Taught Me, which is my website for hustlers and entrepreneurs just like me and you. Without further ado, let's get into product number one. I've sold out of twice this month. This is a product that you can get and it costs less than $20. Icon Q77 headphones. We sell right now around $15 to $25, and you can get these around 10 to 9. I've seen other wireless headphones sell. Here are other alternatives. Air plus TWS low ticket headphones reach a different type of target market. You have 3 different type of adapters. You have an early adapter, mid adapter, and a late adapter. Early adapters buy products right when they come out. Mid adapters, they wait a little bit. Late adapters, they wait until they see other people get the result. You want to attack the middle adapter, the person that is going to buy if it solves a pain point. You can get these for as low as $6. Low ticket headphones, especially wireless ones, are selling and flying off the shelf. Now, you probably won't believe me when I say this, but I've been selling these MagSafe wireless chargers for 6 years. These cost $9, and I'm telling you this right now, and you can sell these for $12.50 all the way to $17.50. This packaging is beautiful, but not just that, you're able to solve pain points. People that are just buying iPhones or the iPhone 17 Pro Max 1. These don't have any logos on them. It looks just like Apple. This is a product you want to sell for around, I'd say starting out $12.50. Get this, hustlertaught.me.com, but most importantly, if you can find somewhere to get it cheaper, you can do that as well. These are the adapters that come in a bundle form. We've had one problem, trying to move more quantity while also serving one cause. We would see that customers are buying either the adapter but not the cable, or the cable but not the adapter. So this is actually a 20-watt AAA adapter bundle. This is a product you can get for less than $7. You can sell this for $10.50. This is a product people buy over and over. This isn't an impulsive buy. This product doesn't have any logos, but it gives the same experience as Apple. You can sell these without a problem and maximize your profit. Now, speaking of maximizing profit, let's talk about the website hustlertaught.me.com for a second. This is a platform I've developed over the last month that doesn't only just give you wholesale products. It helps you as a reseller set your goals. It also helps you when it comes to an assistant that will help you grow. Yes, we have an assistant, sort of kind of like AI. It's called Brain. The Brain is going to actually help you assess products, assess what profit margins you want to get, and not just that, it will walk you through each step that you tell it you want to read. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. We have a bunch of different tools you can use. Product listing tool where you can actually have the Brain give you a full breakdown of a SEO optimized product listing for you to list on eBay, Mercari, OfferUp, Amazon. You get access to all of my resources, all guides, templates, and every single checklist I have. And most importantly, you are now going to be able to get into the academy. You're going to have me in your pocket while also having tools to grow your business. Now, let's get back into these products. Oldie but goodie clones. These cost less than $15. You can sell these for anywhere between $40 to $60. These are Gen 2s. No logos. This helps you not get banned. And people always get on me, oh, you're selling generic crap that people are using to steal from companies. No, because we're not imitating a brand. Instead, how the product works is similar. We list this as just wireless in-the-ear headphones. Next, we have the ring light, 10-inch ring light. These you can get as low as $12. Sell these from anywhere between $25 to $30. And if you need to liquidate, sell these for $20 if you need to. 3.5 ring lights. This also comes with a light mount. This is basically a ring light where you connect your phone. You can stream, go live on TikTok. I use this personally. This is really good. Guess how much it costs? Around $8. And you can sell this anywhere between $12.50 to $30. A lot of us probably have not actually tried to source or sell these. These are going to be charging stands. You can get these as low as $8. If you sit this out on the table and it's standing up and you tell somebody you can get this for around $10.50, or you tell them you can get it for $15, they'll buy it. The most slept on product that I've seen people actually just sleeping on is the Maxes. Now these sell especially well in person. You can get these for as low as $17 to even $20. Honestly, these sell for themselves. These are products that you can sell for around $50 to $60. Poshmark, Vinted, and of course eBay as well. While eBay, if you keep trying to list these and you have a history of listing fake, fraudulent, counterfeit products, you're going to have trouble. But if you list these as over-the-ear headphones, you should be good. If you need help listing, go over to hustlertaught.me.com and just use our listing tool, where the brain actually helps you list product. It helps you with your picture. It helps you with everything, your description, tag, everything to SEO optimize your listing, because a product like this, you don't want to get it wrong. And this is my favorite product right now. This is the Bud 3 headphones. I've already got plenty of sales for these. We have white, we have black, and we also have gray. The packaging is very crisp, clean. I love this product. This product will cost you under $20. Not even just that, you still have room to make a profit. Sell this on Mercari, eBay, Poshmark, Vinted. We haven't had any trouble listing these. This right here, no Galaxy logo, no Galaxy signage. This is Buds 3 headphones. That's it. It's simple, guys. Comment below which color you like. I, again, like the white. How about you? Comment below. Gen 4 headphones. These sell really well, like really well. No signage. We have people order these just as samples and pay the premium price on Hustler Taught Me just because they like these. If you don't have a Connect supplies products that don't have logos for you, you definitely need to find one, because we kept getting our pods 3 years ago taken down because we had Apple signs on them. I got contacted by Apple's legal team. I've literally been through it all. But I'm gonna tell you this, these sell even more and faster than the Gen 2s. We sell this for around $60 to $90. There you have it, guys. These are the top 10 products right now in August that are selling. I couldn't post this on August 1st because we wouldn't know what was selling and what's not. But I'm gonna tell you this right now. Today is August 7th, and we have every intention on crushing sales this month. And my birthday was August 3rd, so it was a really good start. If you guys could, wish me happy birthday. I really want you guys to subscribe, and I want you guys to also continue to make money work for you. If you haven't already, man, make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, hype the video if you guys have the opportunity, and I'll see you guys in the next video.